friends. Now I am with store of Seeds and Technology. Here I have a junior. He's also our mentor from the Agri. So they have developed a technology which will be used to test the seed viability very quickly in 3 to 4 hours. See, normally the seed viability test that you already know, that is tetralism test, or else like you may be knowing about the germination test. Germination test usually takes like 14 to 16 days for the result to be shown, and the tetrazolim test it will take at least 24 to 48 hours to get the results. But if you have to check the viability of the seeds in a very short period of time, then you can use this speedy seed test, which they have developed it and they have patented this technology, which will be very useful for the larger seeds. Currently, they have standardized method for the large seeds. The smaller seeds, they will be just doing it in the coming years. So now, Manja will be explaining about like how this seed kit works and how you can test the viability of the seeds. Yeah.
As of you know, a seed quality is an important for the farm productivity and increase the farm income. There is a famous slogan called Subijam Sushetre Jayate Sampadete. Good seed in a good soil yields abundant. Like that, we have to test the quality of the seeds. In quality of the seeds, seed germination is one important parameter wherein we can get the result of germination parameter. We have developed one technology called that Speedy Seed Viability Kit, wherein we can get the result within 3 to 4 hours of all the large size seed crop. We have very written that our kit consists of this is incubation tube, 100 incubation tube, and 100 seed holder, and one dropper bottle, and the concentrate. That is our chemical solution, which will give the result for us. In that, we have a one concentrate. That is 1.5 ml. This solution we have to take and have to pour in a dropper bottle, and we have to add the water, which is we have to use particularly like mineral water, like RO water. If you have a distilled water, is very good. We have to use distilled water. After that, if the solution has been diluted, we have to take incubation tube, one incubation tube, and we have to pour in one incubation tube. We have to pour. Sir, yeah. 5 drops of diluted solution, and we have to place one seed holder inside it. Like that, we place one seed holder, and for different crops we have to soak the seed. Nearly we have to soak for different crops. 2 to 3 hours of soaking is required, which will enhance the metabolic activity of the seeds. After that, you have to soak the seed. You have to place it in the incubation tube. Like that, you have placed, and you close the cap and wait for the 2 to 3 hours. You can get the result. If the seeds are viable, then our solution has turned to green, light green, yellow color. You can clearly able to.
As you can see here, like these are the viable seeds which have turned into yellow color. Yeah.
These you can see that viable seeds are yellow color, like light green, but the non-viable seeds are remain blue color, blue and dark blue color. Like that, we can predict the result. If you are 100, for example, our seed we tested for 100. In that 10 are remain blue. Then our came to know that the germination percentage of our lot is 90%.
So this is a speed germination test which you can do it, because traditionally like what we do is we take around 14 days to test the germination. But by using this PD seed test, you can just have this germination test in a very short period of time. So this has been recently developed and it will be available at a commercial scale. The complete kit cost is 500 rupees, in which it has 100 tubes. So you can take 100 seeds at once and you can test the germination of any larger seeds.
And sir, one more thing is, sir, in incubation tube, if you purchase only one time in 500 times, you can reuse 10 to 15 times. This is a plastic, and this is also a plastic seed holder. If you have to test in the more time, like we have to purchase that for only indicator solution from us. That will cost nearly 50 to 100 rupees. That's all. But this the incubation in the seed holder, it will remain. Nothing. You have to just take the soap water and clean it in 1 or 2 times. The solution will go remain off.
Okay, thank you so much.